So light is there in the room, so proper light is there, so it is actually switched off. When I make some darkness, it gets lightened. Hey, hi YouTube, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel. And guys, I am sorry I have been not making more videos on home automation. So I am again back with one of my video for home automation, where I'll be showing you a smart auto sensor light, night light basically, which can actually lighten up and it can go off by the auto sensing. So we will actually unbox this device and we'll see how it works. And this I have purchased from basically from PayTM, and you can find the links in the description. It is available on Amazon and Flipkart also, but you can obviously check for the discounts and all, and you can buy from the link shared in the description. So do visit the description below of this video and buy this device. So let's unbox it. I have actually opened this box which came from PayTM. So PayTM says please open the box in front of the executive and just check it. If it is there, then only sign. So that's the reason I have opened it. So let's unbox it. It's a big packet. Packing is good from PayTM side. Actually these days packing is very good. So I'll unbox it. So this is the tiny little light. It's very small, my friends. Let's keep the packet aside, nothing in the packet. And it's a smart tiny light. This is a auto sensing night light. The auto sensor will actually work with your gestures. When you are near to the light, it will actually lighten up, and when you are away from the light, it will actually go off. So let's see what's there on the box. So it says some right up here, and my friends, this is not made in India. It's a Chinese product. So be very speculative what you are purchasing. So it says colorful night light is a faint illumination of light when the room is dark. When the colorful night light will automatically send soft light, and when the light is illuminated with a bright light, collated night will automatically turn off, provide some convenience for the night operation. So it's a small light basically for your small night bulb kind of thing, and then you can actually plug it on the plug. It has a plug with the extended end. Nothing else on the packet, no price, nothing. But I bought this from PayTM from 198 rupees, and as a gesture, first customer on PayTM mall gets 100 rupees off. So actually this cost to me, including delivery charges, only 98 rupees. Yeah, 100 rupees off for the first customer. So this is my first purchase from PayTM, by the way. So I'll unbox it. So here the light itself, and it comes in different colors. It's a simple device. Okay, so this is the light, nothing else in the box. We'll keep this also aside. So 100 rupees light. Let's see what's in this light. So basically you can plug it on the plug like this, and then it has an auto sensor here. So this is the auto sensor. I'll zoom it and I'll show it to you. If you can see, this is an auto sensor. If you wave your hand, it will actually go off. Sorry, it will go on. If you are away from it, it will actually lighten. That is what is given in the description. Nothing else. The round square shape light is there. So LEDs are here actually, and it is very lightweight, my friends. It's very lightweight. So you can see from the built and this one, quality doesn't seem to be that good. Just a light, nothing else. This is basically a product which is not sold in India. It's actually imported product kind of. So we'll see what it how it works and how it changes the room ambience. As far as I know, this is actually helpful in the night times when you woke up and then you have to go restroom and you have to pick some water for you and something like that. So it actually helps a lot. So let's check and plug it in the next part of the video and see how it works. So I have plugged the socket, so I have plugged the light in my socket and I switched it on. As you can see, the light in the room I have decreased it to some level. Now I am moving my hand, it is actually lighting up. As you can see, if I am moving my hand, it is lighting up. I'll make some more darkness here so that you can see. So what is happening is, if it is light is there, it won't light up. If we make some darkness, it will light up. So you can see what I am doing. I am actually bringing my hand in front of it. Nothing is happening. Now it's lighting up. So it gets light, it will not lighten up. So this sensor will actually sense the light, okay, and when you move your hand here, you make some darkness, it will lighten up. So I am actually using my pillow. As you can see, I am using my pillow here and then I am making it dark so it will lighten. So when I am putting my pillow here, it is darkness here is there and then it lightens. So this is a good device when you are sleeping in darkness. It will lighten up and then it will be actually will be able to mark out where your switch and everything is located, okay. And when in the proper light is there, that is morning, it will automatically switch off. So again I will give a demo. So light is there in the room, the proper light is there, so it is actually switched off. When I make some darkness, it gets lighted. And this is white light, my friends. It comes in multicolor. I actually like white, that's the reason I had ordered it. And for 98 bucks as a first time customer, it's actually a good purchase. So you can actually make out whatever features it will have and then how you can use in your room. You can use it in your staircase, you can use it in your garden, kitchen, even you can use it in living room, and obviously bedroom is where you actually use it for a purpose. So that's all, my friends, that's all for this video. I think you enjoyed my unboxing of this small light. So on Amazon and Flipkart and PayTM this is selling, and the best purchase is from PayTM. Links will be shared to you. On PayTM it is selling for 198 rupees and you can buy it as a first customer for 100 rupees off, that is only 98 rupees. So go ahead, my friends, check out the links in the description and buy this product. That's all. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe and like, share our video. Thanks again. This is Vivek signing off from Super Innovative Edge Technologies.